Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are not available right now, so we cannot customize it manually. It is because we are using the automatic date and time and the time zone basically. So let's first of all turn off both of those options, and right now we can freely tap on date and pick new one from the calendar. Tap on OK, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time, just pick it from the clock and confirm it with OK. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. You can also change the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here you will be transferred to the list of available ones, so simply scroll and find. Let me pick this one, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. Here you can decide whether you want to use the 24-hour format or 12-hour format. Currently we've got of course the local default, but we can turn off this option and here manually decide which option we want to use. It's of course up to you. So basically this is the whole customization of the date and time, and of course if you want to get back to the automatic options, nothing easier, just tap on those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.